Welcome to Discover Talent presents folks, the place where creativity meets innovation. Today we are diving into how web developers and bloggers in a finance domain use the power of Microsoft Excel to streamline their work and share insights like never before. It's not just a web developers or blogger. If in case you are in a MS domain or maybe you are a CA, right? And you wish to share these insights with the leadership, that time you can use this. Hi everyone, whether you are a finance blogger creating a content or a web developer designing seamless dashboards, Microsoft Excel is a tool. Today we'll explore how Excel can help you organize financial data sets, analyze data, and even share it efficiently through platforms like SharePoint, blogs, or websites. Cool. So let me just quickly show you how. For finance bloggers, Excel is the go-to tool for creating stunning visuals that explain complex data with clarity. From investment trends to budget analysis, Excel helps you transform raw data into a meaningful insights. Okay, having said that, let me just open up that file in front of you. So this is the file in which I have this raw data set available with me. Right now, just on a demo purpose, I'm using this data set. Okay. If you, in case you want, you can just add a charts as well if needed. I'll just insert this chart for my demo purpose. And then I'll simply just change chart type over here and I'll use a combo. Here I will say line chart and I'll hit OK. So simple combo line chart I have added over here. And I'll simply just say here as a vertical grid line. I don't need a horizontal. That's what I have just removed it and I don't need a title too. So I'll just remove that. Also, this data set is available with me. Now, we want to collaborate this power of Excel, right, with SharePoint or maybe any other blog or website. How we can do that? How we can plug in this data into a SharePoint? So one of the biggest perks, you can leverage this SharePoint to collaborate and share Excel datasets. Bloggers and developers can publish these spreadsheets to a SharePoint. Okay. Even if you are a web developer or maybe you are not a technicalist, no need to worry. In Excel itself, you can easily do it, folks. Okay. What we have to do, simply just copy your data in normal Excel and open the file in cloud. Quickly show you that as well. What you have to do, click office.com or maybe Microsoft365.com. We are a premium version, okay, premium user for this. So we are getting multiple benefits out of it. Okay, so if in case you are not a premium version, so we'll urge you buy Office 365 and leverage these benefits. I'll just open a Excel over here. It will take some time to load and I'll add a rename it over here, financial information. Simply what we have did, we have just added this file on cloud. Okay. See, URL is already given over here. Simply just paste the data, whatever data set you have added there. Okay. Just adjust these lines like this. Select this if in case you want to insert a chart once again. Simply click here, recommended chart, and you can see amazing recommendations. Right. I'll just insert this time. Okay. Again, it's not intent to explain any data visualization how I am doing it. However, the explanation part over here is how you can showcase this data or maybe plug in this data into SharePoint or maybe any other website or maybe your blog, folks. Okay. It's a very simple task to do. If in case you are from a technical background or maybe you are in commerce or maybe arts background, okay, no need to worry. You can do it very easily. It's a very smooth method to do that. This is just a lighter example I have added. Imagine creating a finance blog post that break down a stock market trends. Excel's advanced charting tool make it simple to create a visually engaged graphs. Once your chart is ready, export it directly into your blog. Okay, how to do that? That I'm going to showcase you here. You might have a question that after doing this, we need to use any plugins or maybe any additional software for that. Okay, so no need to worry. We don't have to buy any additional cost over here. In Excel itself, you can do that. So finally, the surprise is in front of you. Just select this content first, go into a file, and then click here share option, and then here is a link. Okay, embed. Now you can see this option available, right? Note has been added over here, folks. So carefully observe over here. Note who visits the blog web page with the embedded file will be able to view without signing in option. Okay, so you have to be careful what information you are uploading on your website. Okay, generate. I just simply click on this option called generate. Now you can see how beautifully our Excel file is showcasing over here. Now, what type of information you have to showcase? Okay, that we have this particular part available with us. Select the range if in case you want only this table to be shared, right? So I'll just say this. Okay, and I don't want this. And if in case I just want this, so I'll just select this. Or maybe if in case you need this only, just click here, select a range. Okay, only table range will be available over here, folks. Okay, so this time I need this chart. Okay, again, it's in a real-time basis. Whatever data set you are updating in your Excel sheet, the viewers can consume the data. Okay, so this is a chart I have selected. Now, entire workbook, if in case you want a entire workbook, simply click here, entire workbook, where they can see the table as well as the data. And then if in case appearance, if in case you want to hide a grid lines, you can just turn that on. Otherwise, just remove that. Okay, you can see these grid lines available. Right? Likewise, your row headers and include a download link. If in case they need a download link there, then definitely you can turn that on, turn that off. Okay, complete your call. I'll just keep this on because it's looking bit stunning for me. So that's what I just keep this as is. If in case you want user to be, add a filter there, you can just turn that on, and basis that your requirement, you can do that. For now, I'm just keeping this size as is. Okay, there is a no change in it. And basis our requirement, Microsoft generated a code for us, folks. Okay, so this is a very important code. Just select this, Control A, Control C. Now I'll just open a blog over here. Click here, new post. And then you can simply click here, HTML view. Press enter, just Control V. Remove entire content, which is earlier was shown. Financial dashboard. And I'll publish it. As soon as I done, I'll just simply click here, view button. It will take some time to load. Boom, here we go. Okay, if in case you are not happy with this particular content, definitely you can go there once again. Width, if in case you want a 1200, you can do that as well. Okay, code itself, you can do that. Just simply click here, financial dashboard. Okay, and then just say 1200 over here, because any which ways, if we are updating there, similar code we will be getting it, right? So I'll just do a 1200 over here. I'll update this once again, and I'll refresh it. Boom. So this is how beautifully I can see this Excel live file on my blog, folks. Okay, I hope you found this useful, folks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Discover Talent for more insights into how tools and technology empower you to do more.